All right, we are on chapter 1, page 29, adding and subtracting decimals, and we're specifically looking at number 7. We're looking at 62 minus 9.817, or 9 and 817 thousandths. Now, there are a couple things we need to do here right away. We need to understand that 62 has a decimal, and that 62 should have a decimal, and we should add 3 zeros. We have to, when we're dealing with decimals, adding and subtracting, we need to make sure we line up the decimals correctly. This is what we're meaning when we line up our decimals. We want to stack or line up our decimals so they are directly on top of each other. We are subtracting here, and this is definitely a borrowing problem. We're going to have to borrow from the 2. Let's see if I can change markers here, change colors. The 2 becomes a 1. This 0 becomes a 10. It becomes a 9. This 0 becomes a 10. It becomes a 9. And then finally this one becomes a 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. There's our decimal. And we do need to borrow from the 6 because we cannot take 9 away from 1. The 6 becomes a 5, and the 1 becomes an 11. Bring down the 5. Your answer would be 52.183. That's 52 and 183 thousandths. Again, the reminder here is make sure 62 is written 62.000. Line up your decimals and add zeros where needed.